Hi all, welcome to my channel. இன்னைக்கு இதை பத்தி பார்க்க போறேன்னா Social Studies Lesson 3 Save the Environment தாங்க. இந்த வீடியோல நான் புக் பேக் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் போடல, ஏன்னா கிளாஸ்லயே எழுதிட்டு வந்துருவாங்க பசங்க. only possible questions மட்டும் தாங்க. வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ள போலாம். First question, write some ways of purifying water at home. We can purify water at home in the following ways. First one, boil the water, as boiling kills most of the germs in the water. Filtering the water, then add chlorine tablets to the water. Next question, what is environment? Everything that surrounds us, which includes both living and non-living things, are called environment. Next question, what are the main components of the environment? The two main components of the environment are the living and non-living things. For example of living components are plants, animal, germs or all other living things. And example of non-living components are land, water, air, light, etc. Next one, what do you mean by polluted environment? Air, water or land which has been dirtied by harmful substance is said to be a polluted environment. Next one, how can you pledge to save the environment? First point, I will plant more trees. Second one, I will not waste paper. Third one, I will save water. Fourth one, I will not burst firecrackers. And last one, I will use only clothes or paper bags while shopping. Next question, match the concepts with the description. First, reduce. Answer, try and cut down the number of things you use. Second, reuse. Answer, if possible, use the product again. Recycle. Answer, find ways to make new materials from the waste product. Next question, what are the types of pollution and write the causes? There are 4 types of pollutions. First one, land pollution, air pollution, water pollution and noise pollution. And then causes. For land pollution, using of chemicals by farmers, throwing of non-biodegradable garbage on land. And for air pollution, burning of garbage, plastic and wood, and release of smoke from factories. And for water pollution, bathing of animals in water bodies, throwing of waste in water bodies. And last, for noise pollution, unnecessary honking of vehicles on roads, noise created by playing loudspeakers, bursting of crackers during occasions. Next one, look at poster below and write their message. Image கொடுத்துருவாங்க, நீங்க அதுக்கு வந்து ஒரு மெசேஜோ இல்ல டைட்டில் மாதிரியோ எழுதணும். First image பாருங்க. என்ன கொடுக்கலாம்? Save water. அடுத்த next image, plant more trees. Next question, write down the 4 types of pollution and draw one example for each pollution. First, air pollution, second water pollution, third land pollution and last one noise pollution. You need to draw a diagram for each pollution. இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க and என் சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிருங்க. Thank you.